In order to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, follow these steps. So first things first, your Instagram account must be a professional account, business or creator. It cannot be a personal account, and you can check that by going to your Instagram profile, and you should see something there towards the top that says Professional Dashboard. You must be an admin on the Facebook page that you're trying to link, and you have to be able to log in to both accounts. So the easiest method is to open up the Instagram app like I've done here, go to your profile, and then once here, tap on the Edit Profile button there towards the middle of the screen, so Edit Profile. And then once here, you want to scroll down to where you see something under Profile Information that says Page, Connect or Create. Tap the Connect or Create button there, and then you just want to follow the prompts by tapping Continue to go ahead and connect and log in to your Facebook account. Once you log in, you will see a list of all of the pages that you own here. And again, this is not a profile, this is a Facebook page. You will then just select the actual page that you are trying to link, hit connect, and then when you do that, you will be able to go to your Instagram account and see it linked on both the Instagram and the Facebook page. So here under Instagram, you can see there's the page, tap on it in my profile, takes me directly to the page. And then right here on my Facebook page, you can see there's my Instagram right there in the description. So if I tap on the Instagram, it'll take me directly to this account. The last thing I want to show you is in order to cross post or make a post on Instagram that goes to the Facebook page too, you'll have to go back to Instagram, tap the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, like so, and then scroll down to where you see an option that says cross-posting, tap on cross-posting, and then you'll see a couple of options. You can see that share to Facebook as, and then you just go ahead and tap that there, go to Account Center, and make sure that cross-posting is enabled. Automatically share your Instagram posts, your Instagram stories, and Reels. You can enable that by just going ahead and tapping that there. And as you can see, everything you post on the Instagram account will go and be shared to the linked Facebook page that we just set up. I will have some frequently asked questions and some problems that you might run into in a pinned comment down below. If this video tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.